Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the XY plane, so click here XY plane. Okay, take the line command. We are going to make a rough sketch first. Okay, like this, here and here. One here, one line here, here and join here. Now go to horizontal constraint, select this line. Now go to dimension, define this as 6 mm, define this also as 6 mm and escape. Take the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Go to the parallel constraint, select this line, select this line. Okay. Now go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay. Now escape. Now here we will define the dimensions. Go to dimension, select this line, select this midpoint. This dimension here will be of 50 mm. Okay. Now here the next dimension which we will define. Okay. First do one thing. Here we will define the radius. So go to fillet. Take here a fillet radius of 12 mm. Select here, select here, select here and select here. Now escape. Okay, we have two radius here of 12 mm. Now we'll define this as 50. Okay, go to dimension. This top radius, center point from this center, this will be 27.5 and this bottom, this will be at a distance of 25 mm. Okay, so this midpoint is for this radius and this midpoint is for this radius, the center point you can see. Now we'll define this dimension from base. This will be 10 mm. Okay. Now here what else is left? If we define this as 6 mm and scale. So this is fully constrained. Now I want same profile this side as well. Go to mirror, select this complete profile, go to mirror line, select this midline, apply and done. Now select this line, make it construction, go to finish sketch, here take extrude. So this profile will be selected here, take extrude of 30 mm and here we will take symmetric and press OK. Okay, now rotate. We want to construct a rib here for the support. So here again go to origin, select the XY plane, go to home, we are selecting this mid plane again, go to create sketch, take the line command, make one line here and join till here. Now escape. Okay, I will rotate it slight. Okay, little bit we will rotate it to find the points. Now go to dimension, select this point and select this edge. Go to front view. Here we will take a vertical height of 2 mm. Escape. Okay. Now again go to dimension, select this midpoint, rotate the profile and select this starting point of this line. Okay. This distance will be 13 mm and escape. Now select this yellow line, make it construction. Select this line, make it construction. Okay. Now go to home. Here you would not be able to see, so we'll see this view. Finish sketch. We'll take here the rib command. Okay. So in rib we will click here parallel to sketch plane. So you can see the rib profile. This is from mid plane and this will be 5 mm. Okay, this is symmetric and press OK. Now I want same profile this side as well. So go to mirror, we'll select here the profile, go to mirror plane, we'll select here the YZ plane and press OK. Go to home, select the XY plane, go to create sketch. Here this time we will take the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 25. From center point, make diameter 15. Okay, go to dimension, select this center point, select here. This will be at a height of 34.41. Okay, and select this center point and select here, so that this distance here will be of 21 mm. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, take here symmetric, and here the extrude will be of 25 mm. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay, now here go to sketch, rotate the profile. Here this profile has been shown of the bottom rib. Okay, so go to slot. Here we will take 2-point rectangle, make one rectangle like this and one rectangle like this. Go to dimension. Here this height will be of 4 mm and this width here will be of 4 mm. Okay, now this dimension here will be of 20 mm and this will be here of 6 mm. Okay, now here we are going to take horizontal constraint, select this midpoint and select this midpoint, so this will be a line. Similarly, select this yellow point and select this point, so this will be aligned vertically. Go to dimension. Here we are going to take, select this, give dimension of 2 mm. Okay, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, rotate it. Here you can see from the starting radius we have taken the 2 mm radius. Okay, so this will be the profile which we have made. Okay, now here rotate it. Okay, go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here we will take 2 next, so this will be a joining profile up to this face and press OK. Okay, now here we are going to make a rib profile. Go to part 2. Here we have to make this rib profile now and this cut profile. Go to part 3, select XY plane once again, go to create sketch. Here take the line command, select the line here and select here. Go to tangent constraint, select this circle, select this line and escape. Go to home, select this profile, make it construction, select again, make it construction, select this radius here, make it construction. Okay, now here finish sketch, take rib command. Here we'll click on parallel to sketch plane. Okay, and flip the direction. This will be also a rib of 5 mm thickness and press OK. Okay, now here go to fillet, take here a fillet radius of 5 mm, go to H selection, select here, rotate, select here and select here. Now press OK. Go to home. So now we are going to make the slot profile. Select this face, go to create sketch. Here we are going to select the center to center slot. Make one slot profile here. Okay. Go to vertical constraint. Select the center point. Okay. Go to dimension. Select the center line and give it a dimension of 23 mm. Here we will take radius of 1.5 mm. Okay. Select this edge, select the center. This will be 4.5 mm. Escape. Here we are going to take horizontal constraint, select this center point, and here select this green center point. Okay, go to line command. Here select the center, make a straight line. Escape. Select this line, make it construction. Go to mirror, select this complete profile. Go to mirror line, select the center line, apply, and done. Finish sketch. Take extrude, select both the profiles. Here we will take cut and press OK. Okay. Now go to fillet command. Take here a fillet radius of 2 mm. Go to edge selection. Select here, select here, select here. Rotate. Select this, this, and this. Press OK. Okay. Go to home. Now we'll define the appearance from here. We'll take the gold color, or you can take any. I have taken the glossy gold. Okay, so this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.